Yes, I know.
No. For the Bible tells me so.
Jesus loves me, this I know. For the Bible tells me so. Little ones to him belong. They are weak, but he's strong. Strong. You get it? He's strong. He can beat you up. He can beat you up. He can beat you up. You got that? You got that? Good! I'm glad you got that!
That's coming from Little Whore Who Makes Big Snort.
Yeah, apparently. That's my editing name. Little whore who makes big snort. You know. We all have our talents.
To the peacock thing. Jimmy Neutron.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. I have a secret. Do you want to know the secret?
Yes, tell us the secret.
I don't have a secret. You want a secret? You can't have a secret. Secrets are mine. Mine are secrets only mine.